Most people get this wrong, and only realize it when they get hit with late fees, or even administrative dissolution. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking your LLC is set and forget after registration. Here's the truth no one tells you. Almost every U.S. state requires an annual report, and missing it can quietly shut down your business. In this video, you'll learn exactly what an LLC annual report is, how to file it step by step, and how requirements change from state to state in 2026. This matters because even profitable businesses get penalized simply for missing a basic compliance deadline. Let's start simple. An annual report is a yearly filing that updates your state with basic business information like your LLC address, members, registered agent, and sometimes your business activity. It is not a tax return, but here's where it gets interesting. It is still legally required in most states, and it keeps your LLC active and in good standing. Now here's the first key point. Each state has different rules, deadlines, and fees. For example, in Wyoming, the annual report is due on the first day of your LLC's anniversary month and costs a minimum license tax. In Delaware, most LLCs pay a flat annual franchise tax. In Florida, the deadline is May 1st every year. And here's where most people fail. They assume all states follow the same system, and they miss deadlines. Let's walk through the process. First, you identify your state's official filing website. This is usually the Secretary of State portal. Second, you log in using your LLC details like your business name or file number. Third, you confirm or update your company information. This includes your registered agent, address, and management structure. Fourth, you pay the filing fee online. And finally, you submit the report and save the confirmation. Now, here's an important detail many beginners overlook. Some states also require additional filings or taxes alongside the annual report. For example, California has a separate franchise tax, even if your LLC earns nothing. So the annual report is only one part of your compliance responsibilities. In a minute, here's what will help you even more. I can break down the cheapest states for LLC maintenance and show you how to avoid unnecessary fees that most new founders accidentally pay every year. So to summarize, filing your LLC annual report is simple, but absolutely essential. Every state has its own rules, but the process usually involves updating business details and paying a fee online. The key is staying ahead of deadlines and never assuming your LLC is automatically compliant. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more business compliance guides, and comment your LLC state.